all passengers of LPU Laguna Air Flight LP841 to Manila. We regret to inform you that your flight has been delayed due to operational requirements. The new estimated departure time is 8:20 p.m. We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience and appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. Passengers are advised to remain near Gate 54 for further updates. Complimentary refreshments will be provided at Service Counter 6 for affected passengers. We assure you that our ground team is working diligently to minimize the delay and ensure your safety and comfort. Thank you for flying with LPU Laguna Air. Good afternoon, passengers of LPU Laguna Air Flight LP841 to Manila. Please be advised that there has been a gate change for your flight. Flight LP841 will now depart at Gate 59 instead of Gate 54. We kindly ask all passengers to make their way to Gate 59 at this time. Initial boarding will commence shortly, starting with passengers who require special assistance, followed by those in first and business class, LP Platinum and Gold members, and then by designated zone letters. We apologize for the inconvenience and thank you for your attention and cooperation. Attention passengers of LPU Laguna Air Flight LP841 to Manila. We regret to inform you that your flight has been cancelled due to unforeseen technical issues with the aircraft, as recommended by the airline station manager on duty. Passengers will be re-accommodated in our replacement flight LP456 on July 10, 2025. Estimated departure time is 10 a.m. and the arrival time in Manila is 3 p.m. local time. Complimentary hotel accommodation will be provided with free shuttle services. Passengers who are not availing of free hotel accommodation may claim transportation allowance at Counter 5. For passengers who wish to rebook their tickets or have other itinerary concerns, our ground staff at check-in counters 3 and 4 will be ready to assist you. For ticket refunds, you may proceed to our ticket office or contact your travel agency. Please wait for further instructions as we coordinate hotel shuttle availability. We apologize for any inconvenience and we thank you for your patience and understanding.